accounted for, 20 PET and 52 HDPE.
Looks good. That pile must be close to the limit.
Yeah, 12 million tons a year, and it feels like it's all right here.
We've got too much PET coming through on line 3.
The optical sorter is struggling to keep up.
Keep the line moving, we're running smoothly now. Woo!
Look at the flow rate on the upper line. Seems a bit slow near the extruder.
tensile strength on this carbon fiber is exceptional, especially at the joint.
The data confirms a 2% increase.
The finish on these boards looks great, consistent texture. Agreed. Let's keep the line speed steady.
Little tighter to the right, keep it coming, and stop. You're good right there. All right, bring it down easy. Set it right there. We need more room for the cedar. Okay, push that one tight against the spacer. Got it, hitting it with the drill now.
The durability combined with this aesthetic match makes it the ideal choice for the loading dock. Hand this to Mark, please. This composite lumber is fantastic. It looks just like wood, but it's recycled and incredibly durable.
It really does, and the maintenance must be much lower than traditional wood.
Passt das so weit hinten? Ja, Chef, das passt genau.
Natural wood requires replacement at 10 years versus composite, still original condition.
It looks amazing, doesn't it? It's done.
The wood grain texture is perfect. I love it.
Watch the chimney on the way up. Set it down right there by the ladder. Copy that, coming down slow.
The thermal imaging clearly demonstrates how composite shingles drastically reduce heat absorption, offering 40% better thermal insulation.
See how this bends without cracking. Now compare that to the clay, which shatters instantly.
All right, bring it down slow, set it right there. Unhook the straps. All right, pull it straight back now. Keep it coming, watch the rails.
Alignment is perfect.
Yes, the installation is going smoothly. Let's keep this pace.
Okay, bring it down right there. Watch the alignment, watch the alignment. Bring it down easy now, watch the edge. Little more, little more. Okay, hold it right there. Check the alignment against the survey markers. Got it, we should be good to lower the next piece.
started!
That's wonderful. Keep up the good work.
It is beautiful out here this morning.
Yes, I am glad we came.
I really like this composite decking. It feels solid.
Yeah, and the view is amazing.
Isn't it a lovely day out here, Margaret? The flowers are beautiful this year.
Yes, they certainly are. It's so nice to be outside. Isn't it a beautiful day, Margaret?
Yeah.
Yes, the petunias look lovely this year. Are you comfortable here, Margaret? It's such a lovely day. Yes, dear, thank you. The flowers smell wonderful.
These new structures are holding up well against the sun. It's nice to finally have some shade out here. Okay, the splash pad should be right over here.
Is it much further?
Just past this next shade spot.
Look, over there by the big saguaro.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize the trail went that far. Looks like these are finally ready.
Yeah, the rain really helped.
Beautiful day for it. Morning, looking good out here today.
Yeah, it really is beautiful. Look how well the peppers are coming in this year.
The composite beds really made a difference.